The calzones are done. They look nice and puffy. Now I'm going to share with you how to make a calzone with the ciabatta bread dough.
Source Costco.
The other thing you can do with these doughs, you can also make a calzone. It's like a Italian stuffed dumplings, and you bake it. I'll make them into 6 wrappers. Okay. Calzone is more like a pizza as well. You put everything inside instead of on top. So I put a little bit tomato sauce on the wrapper on each one. I'm going to make 6 of it. And then you just put a little bit veggies. It can be any veggies. A couple of pieces of green pepper, a little bit cheese, and then you just wrap it. The dough is so soft. You can leave the top open a little bit so when it cooks, it doesn't burst. Otherwise, when it cooks, it might burst. You don't need to add salt or anything because the sausage and the cheese are kind of salty. And a little bit of onions to give it a good flavor. The dough is so soft and sticky, it's difficult to work with.
Yeah, you gotta have lots of dry flour at hand to make it workable.
Okay, let's open one of the calzones. It's just out of the oven, it's very hot.
Yo.
That looks nice. That's the inside of the calzone. It looks nice, not too bad.